Welcome to the binary data class. My name is Ines Costa and I'm here to give you some insights about binary data. In this class, we will approach what is binary language and binary data, how computer encoding works, and the advantages and disadvantages of this type of data. Binary data is a numeric system that uses only two digits, zeros and ones. The computer operates with binary. This means they store data and perform basic functions only using zeros and ones. The coding on a computer is represented as a sequence of binary numbers, as you can see in the picture. Audio, images, and even characters in the text file are coded in binary numbers in machine code. These zeros and ones are encoded with different data formats to give them a meaning. So, different binary patterns, for example, for 8 bits, you can see here, for example, it could be a number, a character in the text, or even a color in the picture. However, encoding formats have been standardized to have compatibility with different platforms and software. For example, images as file formats in JPEG and PNG. Regarding the binary data units, a 0 or a 1 is called a bit, and 8 bits corresponds to a byte. This one is the smallest addressable unit of memory in the computer, and 1024 bytes gives a kilobyte. And this is the evolution that you can have in the binary data units, as you can see in the table next to it. Well, binary data brings some advantages, such as, binary code is considerably more compact and easier to use for coding processes. And for example, to write 200,000, you can write in binary numbers with only 4 bytes, although for ASCII formats you would have needed 6 characters to write the same number. So number values can be stored in much smaller files and be read more rapidly by machines. So it proves to be an excellent method to store large files. But with advantages, there also come some disadvantages. For example, humans find it very hard to write and to read binary data, making it almost impossible to interpret big data sets. So for this, you would need a translator and interpreter in between to be able to understand what type of data you have. Well, we come to the end of our class. Thank you for listening and I hope you enjoy. Bye.